Summer is right around the corner, and at Notions Marketing, that means it's time to pull out the kids' crafts. I've got 4 vendors to talk to you about with some really fun kids' crafts to show. So starting with the Kelly Creates Fun Tubs. These are really, really cool. Everything comes in the tub. So this one has puzzles. So you get to color the puzzles. There are 15 puzzles in the kit and the markers, and it comes with a very handy carrying tote. So there's the puzzles, the canvases, the wood shapes, and the sun catchers. 7 different designs in all, one for every kid in the family, or have a little party and invite everybody over. This new mat is from Smooth Foam, the people that bring you the Universe Smooth Foams, all those little foam balls. Now they have a kids craft mat. This is a silicone mat with a raised edge so that you can keep all of the messes intact, and it comes in a blue or pink color. This is crayon clay. Crayon clay is exactly what it says. It is a clay that you create crayons with. I had so much fun taking this home and creating some fun shapes with the clay. After 24 hours of drying, the crayons that you have created are really good. They're not waxy, and there's a lot of color, and I was surprised how little of the crayon, the handmade crayon, it took to color in. It will really last a long time. So you get to create your own crayons in any shape that you want. The crayon clay is air dry, so in 24 hours it is dry to be used. And it even comes with a fun color chart showing you how to mix your colors to get any color crayon you want. From Imagination Starters, we have chalkboard placemats, cards, and dry erase mats and table runners. So just imagine you're at the dinner table and it's somebody's special day. Hear their happy birthday mat. We pulled out quite a selection of our chalk markers and dry erase markers so you can see all the different items that you could use on these Imagination Starter chalkboard and dry erase mats. What's so cool about them is after you've created it, you can just wipe it right up and start again. There you have it. 4 really fun kids crafts ideas. Summer is coming. You know you are going to hear, "Mom, I don't got nothing to do." Show them some of these crafts. This will be really fun.